Good afternoon everybody and welcome to Kevin's Live here in Dunbrody House. Today we are doing a beautiful shortbread, and the difference that we're actually using, we're using dark sugar, muscovado shortbread biscuit, and easy enough to make and super because you can actually make it and store it in an airtight container, and you can have it for weeks, which is great. Weeks or months, Julian?
Yeah, probably months.
So it's important that you have your butter and it's at a lovely room temperature. You can see it's quite soft there. We're going to add in our dark brown sugar there. Muscovado.
Yeah, muscovado.
Muscovado.
You say muscovado, I say muscovado.
And give that a good mix. You can see it's quite dark, eh? Now if you don't want to use that dark sugar, you can actually use just normal brown sugar, it's fine. Is your camera going nuts there, Julian?
I did, yeah.
Okay, then we're going to add in our flour. It's quite a dry mix when you actually mix it together.
Can you use castor sugar instead if you don't have muscovado sugar?
You can, but it's quite a white, but that's kind of like a normal shortbread. And this is just a little bit different. And at this stage here, you could actually add in some chopped almonds or even pecan nuts with it, which is fine. And then when it gets to about that stage, I just get my hands in there and just kind of mix it together. So it's quite dry there, which is what you're looking for. That kind of gives you that kind of short biscuit crumble, which is what you're looking for. Okay, I'm using a long shape tin with the lid that comes out of it. You can use a round tin either, so whatever you have.
And would you add any other flavor?
You can actually put chocolate chips in there, nice dark chocolate chips. Okay, and then you want to push it down. Like so. Okay, and that's going to go into the oven at 180 degrees for what, 20 minutes, Julian?
Yeah, 15, 20.
15, 20 minutes.
There's a towel.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so that, we'll just pop that into the oven. Like so. And you can see here, one that's done already, and we've just, when it comes out of the oven, you just get a knife and cut it into your triangles. Then, you can see here. Lovely pieces of shortbread. There you go. Lovely and crunchy. Really nice. You can serve that with a little bit of caramel sauce. A little bit of whipped cream. So look at this. Oh, that's bold. That's really bold, isn't it?
Just once a day.
Wow, that's sensational. Hope you enjoy that. Check out the recipe on my website, kevindundon.com, and we'll see you tomorrow.